Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marky and thanks so much for clicking this video. You might as well go ahead and subscribe right there. Thank you. All right guys, so basically I want to share with you my tips, my 5 tips. I have 5. 5 tips on how to make the most of your day. You know, I find myself on YouTube looking at so many different videos, trying to inspire myself because I'm the type of person that needs to be inspired to do anything. Yeah. Um, you know, looking for different techniques or tips or tricks on how to have a better day, how to, change the way you think, how to make routines, blah, 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 how to do laundry better, how to anything that I want to do better. I always find myself searching it on YouTube. And it just seems like everybody that I see is got these perfect routines, perfect techniques, and they live these perfect lives. So I want to be the channel that, if you're not quite there, but you really, really want to try and get there, because that's me, I want to be there for you. So let's do this together. And I know that when I do these tips and tricks, when I incorporate them into my life, I get positive results. So the problem is just being consistent. And that, my friends, is a work in its progress. But anyways, you want to hear my 5 tips and tricks on how to make the most of your day? Then just stay tuned. We'll jump right into it. What that I know always gets me ready for a good day, and the best way I know how to make the most of my day is to wake up early and to be intentional about it. You have to have an intention, have a goal in mind. And once you follow through and you check that goal off, there's no better feeling. Make your bed. That's literally all you have to do. And I can't explain how accomplished you will feel just by doing that thing that takes you 30 seconds. And then when you do, come back here, comment down below, tell me how you felt. Because I know you're going to feel good. Wake up early, be intentional about it, and make your bed. Number 2 trick that I have to make the most of your day is to write a plan. Write everything down. I have dozens and dozens of planners, notebooks, journals, regular little cheap dollar store notebooks, and I write everything down. Not only does writing down everything help you remember, but there's just something so satisfying about writing it instead of just putting it in your phone. No, write it down. When you write things down, you're more liable to actually do them. So write your plans for the day. And I mean plan out every little thing. And what I like to do, I'll give you a little example here. I'm so dumb on this, okay? Like, say I have to go to the doctor's. So I will go to the doctor's, and then I'll do a little box right here. Or say I have to go grocery shopping. Okay? Once I complete that task, then I check it off. It's going to be backwards, I think. Yeah, I check it off. There's, like I said, something so satisfying about checking off that box that makes you feel really good about yourself. And it sets the mood for the rest of your day. Go ahead and try it. I am not playing. Write it down. Write it down. I wanted to mention, when you write things down, what I find to help is that there's so many tasks that we need to do or we think that we need to do every single day. And it can get really overwhelming. And, what ends up happening is we have so many things that we need to do and we get so overwhelmed that we don't end up doing any of them or half of them. And that can be really destructive and not helpful at all. So I suggest that you pick the top 3 things that you need to do, make them your 3 goals of the day, write them down, put them on a sticky note, and put it on the back of your phone. And for that day, you just work on those 3, not 6. I can't stop using my hands. You work on those 3 things and just accomplishing 3 things. 3 things. That's it. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So, yeah. Go ahead and try. Tip number 3, to pray. To pray to God, Jesus, Lord, help me have a good day. Because this world is tough. This world is really tough. Whether you're working or not working, whether you're a mom or not a mom, this world is not easy. And everything can feel like it's just caving in on you. And you feel claustrophobic and you go crazy. But you need something to believe in. So I'm not telling you to believe in the same things I believe, but I believe in Jesus. And Lord, without him, I will be a hotter mess than I already am. So yeah, I like to pray or look up positive quotes. If you don't pray, you don't believe in God, look up positive quotes, write it on a sticky note, and put them on your windows, on your mirrors, on your car steering wheels, on your doors, at your office, in your bedroom, everywhere you go. So you can walk around and look at positive reinforcement, encouragements. I'm Italian. I keep talking with my hands. Yeah. So that definitely is a huge one for me. I wake up, I thank God. Even when I'm miserable, I wake up and say, thank you, Jesus. Even if it's as simple as that, I'm telling you, it sets the mood, it sets the tone, and no harm can come from it. Try it. Favorites, ever since I started doing this, which is not very long ago, I feel so much better about myself. And tip number 5 is start someone else's day off right by being a blessing. Whether it is opening up a door for somebody when you drop your child off to school, or whether it's buying the person and how do you a coffee if you can afford it, or it's saying have a great day, or you look nice today to anybody that you see, to the mailman, to anybody. Whether it's packing your husband a lunch with a little I love you, thank you for all you do note in it. Number 5, to try and look your best. I'm not saying you have to get all dolled up, but make sure you give yourself enough time that you can put in enough effort. When you roll out of bed at the last minute because you press snooze so many times, and then you have to jump into something that you don't really want to wear, and then you don't have time to do your hair, you don't have time to do your makeup, you don't feel your best. When you look your best, you feel your best. So give yourself enough time. You deserve it. That's my peace and serenity is getting ready in the morning. It's my favorite time because it's quiet. The kids are off to school. My husband's gone to work, and I have an hour and a half before I have to go to work. So it's my Zen time, and I love it. It's very therapeutic, and I highly recommend giving yourself enough time. Okay? Make sure you try it. Suggest is grab your phone and text or call somebody that you haven't spoken to in a while. Maybe that long distant relative that you don't see very often, or a friend that you haven't talked to in a while, or it could be somebody that you talk to every day. Be a blessing to somebody else. Start their day off with a positive reinforcement or encouragement, or just let somebody know that you love them. I'm telling you, life is so short. I just lost my father 2 days ago, and you never know. You never want to live with regret. You never want to, you just need to let people know how much you care. And I've come to realize that because for a long time, I secluded myself. I'm trying to make my way out of that and starting to reach out to people that I really, really love. And I always have loved. I've just haven't known how to express myself or to deal with what I was going through. So yeah. Before my dad passed away, I would get my camera out and I would send a video chat or a little small video of me. Hi, Dad. I miss you. I love you. Today's a good day to be alive. You're great dad. You're this, that. Give somebody some positive reinforcement. Tell them why you love them. And I guarantee you, it will make you feel so good inside. It will not only make you feel good, but it will make that other person feel good. And in return, you're being a blessing. And to be blessed, you got to be a blessing. So try that out. That was all the tips. Also, I just wanted to say that your mind is super powerful. It's literally the most powerful thing in the human body. Our mind can be so powerful, but it can either be negative or it can be positive. You choose. Fill your mind with positive things, and positive things will happen to you. I'm not talking about a law of attraction. I fell into that trap once. I should make a video about that. No. But just being a good person, doing right, doing what you're supposed to do, and being kind. It does not cost a thing to be kind. So try it. Be kind to somebody. See how you feel. I bet you it will make you feel good about yourself. That is all that I have to say. I hope that you guys try these tips. And, yeah. Leave me a comment down below which one was your favorite, which one you might start trying out. If y'all have any recommendations, please let me know. I'm always looking to hear and learn. I love learning. I never want to stop. Because I heard that it, like, stops dementia. And I don't want to lose my mind. I feel like I've already lost half of it. So when I get older, I'd like to have my mind. But yeah, guys. That's all I have to say. I hope that y'all like this video. I hope it helps. And yeah. Have a great day. Be kind. And bye. The best advice that I could ever give you is that no matter what type of day you're going to have, it all is up to you. There's only one person in the world that can dictate where your life is going, where your day is going, and how it's going to be. And that's you. And you've got to believe in yourself. You've got to. If you don't, you're never going to get there. So start by learning how to believe in yourself. That is where I'm at right now in my life. For so long, I've let myself go. And I focus on other people. And I realize I can't even make them happy. And why is that? Because I'm not happy. So in order to be a blessing, you have to be good with yourself. You have to be okay with how you are and happy with yourself and in love with yourself. And it's not being conceited. It's just, that's the only way you're going to be good for anybody else. So believe in yourself. I believe in you. I'm telling you right now. I believe in you. That made me emotional, but I do. I just wanted to say that I'm super grateful for this platform, for YouTube. This is really helping me step out of my comfort zone and be more expressive and creative, and I'm just enjoying it so much. So thanks for all of you guys that are watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you're new, I would love for you to join me. I'd love for you to follow along, help me, help you to get to where we want to be in life. Let's empower each other, okay? So if you wouldn't mind, subscribe. Click that red notification bell down there. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And also share this video with somebody that you think might need it. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what ideas, what topics you'd like me to film, anything. Or if you just want to talk, I'm here. My name is Marky, and I'm at your service. So have a great day, guys, and good luck.